Plants found in areas like Rajasthan and those found in areas like Kashmir are different than each other. Why does this happen? This happens because of the climate present there, the amount of water, the type of soil present in that region makes the presence of different types of plants and animals present there. So, the plants which are present in Kashmir will not live in the areas like Rajasthan. Also, the plants which are present in Rajasthan will not live in the areas like Kashmir. Since the climate, the soil, the water quantity is different in both the regions. This is the adaptation. Gradual changes occur in the body parts and also in the behavior of organisms, which help them to adjust to their surroundings. Such changes are called adaptations. They take place over a long period of time. This was the general information regarding adaptation. Now let's study about adaptation in aquatic plants. Aquatic plants means plants which live in the water areas like ponds, sea, lake, etc. So the plants which live in water are called as aquatic plants. Lotus is one of the good example of aquatic plant. Can you see lotus living in desert areas? No. Lotus only lives in water. So that is lotus is an aquatic plant. Some plants live in water on the surface of water, whereas some plants live under the water. You can see on the textbook page number 2. You can see the stalk of a lotus, flower of a lotus, as well as the plants which are floating on the surface of water as well as which are under the water. Some have firm roots whereas some do not have firm roots. They have their weak roots. Some roots of the plants are anchored into the soil, whereas some roots are not anchored into the soil, they just float on the surface of water. Plants like lotus have a waxy layer. Some plants do not have waxy layer on the surface of their leaf. They have sticky layer. Algae have sticky layers like, yes, so these are the different types of aquatic plants. Next one is adaptation in desert plants. One of the easiest examples of desert plants is cactus. Cactus lives only in desert. Aloe vera is one of the type of cactus. But aloe vera are found in our surfaces, our regions also. Those are not the original ones. They are hybrid cactus. They are hybrid aloe vera plants. Therefore, they are able to survive in this region. But the cactus is found only in desert regions. The main speciality of desert plants is that these plants have a fleshy body. Okay, they have a fleshy body. Also, they have thorns to the outer covering of their body. Cactus have thorns on it. It contains immense amount of water into it. They are the leaves which contains lot of amount of water. Why the water is located into it? Since desert does not have enough amount of water present in that region, that is why the cactus has its speciality to locate and store lot of water into it so that it makes the plant easy to survive with that much amount of water. Adaptation in plants of snowy region. Plants in snowy regions mainly include conifers like deodar and pine. These trees are conical in shape due to their sloping branches. In the heavy snowfall and extreme cold in this region, their conical shape prevents the snow from accumulating on the tree and the thick bark helps the tree to withstand the cold. That is why the shape of pine, the deodar tree, is like a conical shape. Adaptation in plants of forest region. How is forest? Students, forest is the region where there are lot of trees and trees only. There are different kinds of trees, different species of trees. Mango trees, pine trees, different trees like medicinal plants, different poisonous trees also. Some tall trees, some short trees, some shrub like trees, and many more different types of trees. So these trees are mainly tall in size. Since forest contains so many different trees and the trees requires sunlight for its survival, each and every tree is trying to compete with one another. It is like who is getting sunlight and who is not. So therefore all the trees are trying to grow taller because as they require sunlight they try to grow taller. Adaptation in grassland plants. Diverse types of bushes and grasses are found in grasslands. Fibrous roots of grasses prevent soil. Grasses in the equatorial region are very tall. Animals like tiger, elephant, and deer can remain hidden in these grasses. However, grasses in cold region are very short. Animals like the rabbit are found in such grasses. Vast meadows are found in hilly areas as well as plains. So, the plants in grassland areas, some are tall, some are short. Grassland plants helps the soil erosion. The roots of these plants helps in soil erosion. Potato is one of the grassland plant. Potato helps in soil erosion. Adaptation for ingestion of food in plants. Not all, but few plants are there which try to survive on some other plants. Like Cuscuta is one of the plant which penetrates into the body of other plants for its survival. You can see different types of Cuscuta plants present on the surface of mango trees or present on the surface of banyan tree also. So these are the plants which survive on the other plants. They take the juice which is present on the large plant and survive with the help of it. Venus flytrap is another type of plant which attracts the insect. So this is one of the completely different plant, Venus flytrap, which attracts the insect into it when the insects are close around it. It attracts and traps the insects into it. Thank you.